In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're going to walk through how to open Google Meet and use its visual effects to apply filters, so your video looks the way you want before you join a call. I'll keep it simple, clear, and easy to follow. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Meet website. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account. Before moving on, make sure your browser has permission to use your camera and microphone. A quick check of your lighting and background here can save you time later, since Meet gives you a live preview of how you'll look. On the landing page, click the Add option that's highlighted on your screen. This takes you into the meeting setup area, where you can access your preview controls. If you see a highlighted button or icon on the page, follow that cue. It's pointing you to exactly where you need to click next. Next, click the highlighted control to open your effects panel. In Google Meet, this is the place where you can adjust how your video appears. Once the panel opens, select Visual Effects. This is where all the background, blur, styles, and filter options live. Give the panel a second to load if your connection is slow. That's normal. From here, choose Filters. Filters are different from background blurs or replacements. They adjust the look and feel of your video feed itself. As you click through the highlighted filter options shown on your screen, you'll see the preview update instantly. This is a great moment to pause, look at your frame, and pick something that complements your lighting and tone. Subtle filters often work best for professional meetings, while playful options can be fun for casual catch-ups. Continue clicking the highlighted filter choices to explore a few variations. Each highlighted selection demonstrates how to switch between styles quickly, so you can compare them side by side. If a filter looks too strong, try another one that keeps your features clear and your colors natural. The goal is to enhance, not distract. Keep following the on-screen highlights to sample additional filters. Notice how each change sticks right away in the preview. If your video appears grainy, consider choosing a lighter filter or improving your lighting rather than stacking heavy visual effects. When you've tested the highlighted options and found a look you like, you're ready to join your meeting with confidence. That's the complete flow. Go to Google Meet, open Visual Effects, head into Filters, and use the highlighted choices to pick the style that fits your meeting best. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your next Google Meet with a polished, consistent look.